How weather kids forecast a brighter tomorrow for our planet. In a world where the effects of climate change are increasingly evident, there's one demographic that stands out as particularly vulnerable: our children. Science has unequivocally shown that kids are among the most susceptible to the consequences of a warming planet. In this episode, I highlight that amidst the daunting projections, there's a glimmer of hope, a global initiative that not only highlights the impending challenges, but also empowers our youth to be part of the solution. The United Nations Development Program, UNDP, has launched a groundbreaking campaign known as Weather Kids. This initiative spans over 80 countries, engaging children in a pivotal role in addressing climate change. At its core, Weather Kids poses a poignant question: what will our future look like if we fail to act urgently against climate change? Central to the campaign is a forecast for the year 2050, envisioned by the children themselves. This forecast, based on rigorous climate projection data, vividly illustrates the potential consequences of inaction. It serves as a stark reminder of the commitments made under the 2015 Paris Climate Agreement, an agreement aimed at curbing global warming to safeguard our planet's future. However, amidst the sobering reality depicted in the forecast, Weather Kids also radiates a message of hope. It calls upon adults to take decisive climate action, empowering them to become agents of change. The campaign recognizes that while climate change presents formidable challenges, it also offers opportunities for collective action and progress. Indeed, as climate change continues to manifest through increasingly extreme weather events, the significance of initiatives like Weather Kids becomes ever more apparent. Weather affects everyone, regardless of age or background. It shapes our daily lives and influences the trajectory of our planet's future. To sum it up, at its essence, Weather Kids is not just about forecasting weather patterns, it's about safeguarding lives, buildings, and the very planet we call home. It underscores the urgency of making informed decisions and taking proactive measures to mitigate the impacts of climate change. As advocates for a sustainable future, we wholeheartedly support the UNDP's Weather Kids campaign. By empowering children to envision a brighter tomorrow, we're not only nurturing their potential, but also laying the groundwork for a more resilient and environmentally conscious society. But the journey towards a sustainable future requires collective action. You too can make a difference by joining the Weather Kids pledge. Together, let's embrace the challenge of climate change and pave the way for a world where our children can thrive amidst the changing weather patterns, a world where hope prevails over uncertainty. You may like this quote from Emma Thompson: "Fighting climate change is important for every single person on the planet, which is why it has to be the greatest grassroots movement of all time. This is the battle of our lives. We're fighting for our children." What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.